Welcome to my channel. I'm Chef Yohei Kamiya. How are you today? So today I'm going to make soba noodle. Yay! Oh, I was waiting to try to make these dishes because I love soba, and especially today I'm going to make shrimp tempura soba noodle. Yay! I'm so excited. So let's cook it. Soba is the Japanese name for buckwheat. It usually refers to thin noodle made from buckwheat flour. Soba noodles are served either chilled with a dipping sauce or in hot broth as a noodle soup. In Japan, soba noodle can be found in a variety of settings, from fast food places to expensive specialty restaurants. Markets sell dried noodle and me-too or instant noodle broths to make home preparation easy. There are a wide variety of dishes, both hot winter and cold for summer, using these noodles. Okay, you got it? Here we go! Soba ingredient first, of course, soba, soy sauce, mirin, dashi, kombu dashi, and bonito. Flour and potato starch, eggs, ice cold water, fresh shrimp, okra. This is one of my favorite vegetables, mushroom. I prefer to use shiitake mushroom, but I couldn't find it today, so I use mushroom this. I'm going to make a tempura mushroom. Sounds good? Now garnish. Scallion, daikon, radish, and ginger. Tempura oroshi soba. Oroshi means ground. So ground daikon radish, ground ginger. Okay, let's make dashi, which is clear soup. 1 quart water, dry seaweed. So let's put a slow cook or in the middle. Right before it is starting boiling, take them out. Edited bonito flake. Maybe 5 minutes wait. So pressure and take it out. Let's cut the vegetable. Cut the mushroom. Okay, prep for shrimp tempura. Take them out shell, cut the shrimp like this, and make sure clean up dirty part. Just please keep watching. And push and stretch and make them long. That makes straight shrimp tempura. You see how different it is? This is perfect shrimp for tempura. Point is ice cold water. You can put ice directly in flour. Key point is don't mix too much. So you don't have to use whisk, use fork or chopstick. It is simple but very important to make crunchy tempura. Noodle base is 911. Don't worry, it's not about emergency call. So 911 means 9 is Korea soup, dashi, and 1 is soy sauce, 1 is mirin. So which means, for example, 900 milliliter dashi and 100 soy sauce, 100 mirin. That's the basic soba soup. Okay, now boiling the Korea soup. So put the soy sauce and mirin. Time to take it out, 5 minutes. Take it out soba noodle and immediately running the cold water. The reason to why stop cooking. Point is wash as well, because extra buckwheat still there and that's unnecessary. If you clear this part, the soba noodle is the perfect texture and great flavor. Japanese food number 3, Tempura Soba. Chef and food producer Yohei Kamiya. Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel. Today I made Tempura Soba. How was it? I hope you guys try to make, and if you have any question, please put a comment. So now I'm hungry. I'm going to eat Tempura Soba. So good. Try it, please. Thank you.